So we're just driving down Rochester Road or Highway 31 in Gasport, New York, and see this. Oh my goodness, was not expecting this. Well, that's wonderful, but now we have to chase it. So first to Middleport and then to Medina. You never know what you're going to see when you go trackside. Have fun out there and stay safe. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.